In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set up the XIOVV app on your desktop. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So if you have downloaded the app on your phone and you have set up your camera already, which is required for basically using the app. Now, once you go ahead and download the app and install it, right, you'll have the app just like this, and you need to log in with the same account that you log in with your mobile app. Once you log in with your mobile app, you'll see the list of camera IDs, and then once you click on a camera, it will automatically launch them. Now, so once you use the app to register a new camera, it will be reflected here. And if someone is sharing a camera with you and you want to add it, given that it is not in your account, you can select add device. Then you can select manual add device by ID, enter the device ID, and then it will be added. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.